Welcome to Super Recipes. Today, we're making a super easy Chinese home-style dishes, pork and onion stir-fry. It may sound ordinary, but what I truly want to share is the method of Ganguo-style dishes, which is what legit Chinese people normally eat at home. It's quick and it can be done in like 15 minutes. Once you learned, you can draw inferences about other Ganguo-style dishes. So let's get started. You will need 1 pound of skinless pork belly. If it comes with the skin, please remove it because the skin will dry out while stir-frying and become tough like rubber. Slice the meat into 1/8 of an inch thick pieces. Pork belly will provide some fat, which imparts a nice richness to this dish. Set it aside. You will need 1 sweet onion. Remove both ends. Slice it in half. Then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Separate the pieces by hand so they can cook evenly. Besides that, I also prepared 3 cloves of garlic and ½ inch of ginger. I sliced them thinly. 1 green chili and 1 red chili. I cut them into bite-sized pieces as well. Here are 2 dried red chilies. Cut them into short pieces. They will bring some smoky flavor to the dish. To cook the pork, turn the heat to high and heat the wok unto smoking hot. Add 1½ teaspoon of oil just to lubricate the wok surface so the meat doesn't stick to the metal while cooking. I always highlight to use high heat while stir-frying in a carbon steel wok. However, for this dish, you actually need to switch the heat to medium or medium-low after you add the pork belly. If you use high heat, the meat will burn too fast before the fat is rendered out. This way, the meat will be dried, but in a good way, kind of like the texture of crispy bacon. In a few minutes, the pork should be golden brown and you will see a lot of oil. If you want your dish to be less oily, you can take some oil out and reserve it for other uses. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, ½ tablespoon of oyster sauce, ½ tablespoon of Sichuan douban jiang, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. In case you ask, these are the ingredients that I'm using. Continue by adding the garlic slices, ginger slices, and dried red chilies. Stir over medium heat for a minute or 2. You want to see that the pork has a desired brown color. Toss in the onion and the chili pepper. Switch the heat to high and stir until the vegetables reach your desired doneness. I prefer my onions to be crispy, so I only stirred for like 1 minute. If you want yours to be soft, you can cook for longer. I like to sprinkle ½ teaspoon of jiaoyan seasoning or to taste. This is an all-purpose Chinese dry rub that has a complex taste and aroma, which will introduce some mystery flavors and bring this dish to the next level. You can buy jiaoyan seasoning from the store. If you don't have access, you can check this video to learn how to make your own. Now we're done! How easy was that? This is what we call the Ganguo style of food, which means dried pot, referring to a jerky-like meat with concentrated taste. You can switch the onion to cauliflower. That will be another popular dish called Ganguo cai. If you use lotus root, bamboo shoot, or cabbage, then you are making Ganguo lian'ou, Ganguo sun, or Ganguo baocai. The possibility is endless. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!